The final fold section of the Dyna Easy has longest in-class operation. The Dyna bottom glue pot is the same as used on the Dyna X and the Dyna Smart, giving full adjustability with air knife operation, easy setup, and easy cleanup. The current design and configuration, as you see here, is a left before right fold. We also have the ability to extend and retract the top roller bars, giving the opportunity to have a right before left fold as well. The top carries are aluminum extruded profile, matching the same design upstream at the pre-brake and collapsible box module. The center carrier is also in position on the tilt frame, moving to the up position and out of the way when not in use. Continuing through the folding section, we also have pressure rollers independently adjusted for proper squeezing pressure of each folding carton. Adjustable top belt speed can be adjusted left and right to increase the ability to straighten skewed cartons.